This morning I'm going to shoot a video of cold starting my 1985 Ford F-250 with a 6.9 liter International diesel V8. I have a digital temperature sensor. Got it on the left valve cover here showing 22, 23 degrees. Upper radiator hose 21 degrees. Got pretty cold last night. Coldest night we've had yet this winter. It's December 19th. And right valve cover coming in at about 21 degrees. So it's pretty cold. And this is a good indication of battery condition and glow plug controller, relays, overall compression of the engine. If you don't have all these things with these older 6.9s, it's just not going to start up and run right. So let's give it a try. Okay, we're going to get the glow plug cycling. As soon as the glow plug light goes out, we'll start and it'll cycle a couple times. Start right up. And that light's going to cycle. The colder it is, the longer it's going to cycle. This indicates that it is working properly. The engine started right up, way below freezing. Looks like it's done.